All right, YouTube. What we see here is lamb chops. So pretty much what I'm doing, I put the mustard, I cut grooves up in here, right? Cut grooves up in the meat, right up in the skin there. You cut your little lines. Then you just gotta just rub that in there. You rub it in there. See, the mustard is just gonna hold the rub. So what you seeing what I'm doing now is just me basting it right now with mustard. So what I do now, we're gonna do one side, flip it over, try to get to the other side. So you just hit it. I'm hitting it right now with spicy mustard. That's what I'm doing right now. So you'll put the mustard on there. Don't worry about it because it ain't gonna taste like that. But that just to hold the rub, because I'm about to put that rub on there. So that's gonna hold that rub real nice. So you wanna hit everything with the spicy mustard. Everything gotta get hit with that, right? So now what you're gonna see here, all right, let me wash my hands down real quick so I can get to this. Leave that right there to the side. You're gonna just cut pieces of that off and lay that on the grill. We ain't gonna do too much, you know. All right, so we're gonna do here. Now this is the rub right here. This is my rub. This is homemade rub I did. The secret to the rub. It's right there. If you can see the rosemary, that's all you're gonna see. All right, so you wanna put it there to the rub. What you wanna do, pat it down. You wanna get that rub like right up in the creases of the meat. So you ain't gonna see the mustard no more. You just wanna get that rub, but then you wanna rub the bone. Just put the rub on there. Sometimes you can rub it in, then pat it down, you know. You don't wanna rub it off. So we doing right here. You want to get like all up in there. My angle's kind of crazy because I'm using my phone right now. I ain't got the GoPro, but another spoon of rub. Get that rub all up in there. Don't be afraid. Don't be stingy. It's you doing it. What you see right here is lamb chops. These are lamb chops right here. All right, so we're going to get that rub up in there. There we go. Get the rub up in. Don't be stingy now. You want to get that rub in there. Definitely want to get that rub up in there. Pat it down. So you want it to get it where as though you know at the end of the day that rub is in there. All right, so get all of that. Pat it down. You can rub it, but don't rub it too hard because you don't want to rub the rub off. You want to get that rub in there. Get it between the bones. Yeah, this lamb right here, this piece of lamb chop right here, little lamb rib. All right, so get that up in there. What you see here, that's the rosemary on top of that. So we got that rosemary. We got everything. I can't tell you the secret to the rub because you got to make your own rub. That's the secret, making your own rub. You want to get on the side there. Then you want to put a little more on this side because you want to pat it down. Get it right there. That's it. That's the rub. So now you want to take that, what you see here. You want to take it, like I said, make sure you get up in the creases because we got to put this on the smoker too. All right. So let me put this on the side because I got to wipe my hands down so we can take it outside. Show you what we doing over here. Make sure you clean your hands up all the time. The tattoo ain't coming off, so that's what that is. That's real. That ain't coming off. All right. So let's get out here. There you go. Gonna take that rub in there. Get it rubbed in there. Whew. Look at those. See the color of that? That's what happens when you get to smoking. We're gonna take this, we're gonna put this right here. Right on the back side first. You're gonna leave that right there. All right, see the color of that? See, they're already changing right there. We smoking, that's it. There you go, baby. There you go. Mm-hmm. We got one salmon to bring out. And we got one. So we got about 3 shish kebabs coming out. You know, we're gonna do it up. But this is what you call smoking. This is smoking here. That's where you want that red look, that pinkish look. This is what you call smoking up in here. See the wood chips up in there? Everything on the side. So we're gonna let that cook on that side. Then I'm gonna end up bringing this over here. All right? That's what I'm gonna do. So you see where we at with it right there. I had to bring it over here. Let it smoke a little bit so we get a little char over there. Then bring it back this way. But you see how that is? That's what I'm talking about. That's what you call smoking. Get right back at y'all. Yes. All right. So what we got here, what you see here, we got the corn in the corner. We got the shish kebab. We got shrimp. We got beef. We got squash, zucchini, red peppers, onions. You see it. And right there in the back, those are lamb chops right there. We got this lemon here. We're gonna squeeze all this. You see what you're doing. And we're gonna put some on the chicken too. Why not put the lemon on there? That's how we doing it. That's how we doing it, baby. Gotta get all of them on there. Cut that in half. We're gonna put some of this over here on the chicken. Get up on the chicken over there. Get up in there. Put over the see those right there? You're gonna flip those right now while y'all watching. Those right there are lamb chops. All right. So camera here. Oh, we smoking up in here. There you go. Ooh-wee. Yeah, I see it. And we'll put it right back here. Let that smoke out. Let all this smoke. All right. So that's what we doing up in here. Your boy JQUIL. Let me flip this over so I can put some lemon juice on the other side. That's what we doing. That's when you know it's cooking. See how that? See how the meat crawls up in the bone? See that? What we do. This is what we do out here, man. That's what we do. All right. And get the flipping all this over. You see all the herbs, the rosemary, all that up in there. Take the corn out the corner and just flip it. Yeah, we leave it all this on so we can get the juices stay up in there. Everybody do it different, but this is how I do mine. All right. Flip that there. Got a little more lemon juice left. See what we can squeeze out of here. All right. Flip this over a little bit. Flip that. Let all this smoke out. All this smoke out. That's how your boy do it. That's how your brother do it. All up in here. Trying to get some of this out. Get whatever we can to get out of there. Put some on the chicken. That's how we do it. I got them. I should get another one, but whatever I can squeeze out of my hand. There you go. Put that all over the ribs. Put that all over there. Yeah, we leave that on there. I'll leave that right up on there. See if I can get some bits out of there. Leave it right on that. All right. So you get all of it out. And we get that right there. All right, there, YouTube. That's where we at right now. That's where we at right now. All right. Oh, we got the corn in the back. Where you at there, Goof Troop? We got shish kebabs up here. Where you ladies at? We at Stacy 504. We at the Crown Key. You know, we got Brussels sprouts up in here. We got red potatoes. Look, we even got those in the back. We got those lamb ribs back there. Those ribs. We got them lamb chops, baby. You know when that chicken is done. When that meat start crawling up on that bone right there. Come on, where you at? Come on, where you at, React? Come on, React. You ain't React, man. You about 2 hours from me, Syracuse, brother. Come on now. Come on, Melee. Where you at, man? College 26, man. I know you all the way out there, bro. Come on through, man. I'm invite all y'all over today. Come on, Wax Dog. Where you at, man? You in VA, man. A little Taz over. What's good with you, bro? That's what we doing today, man. I see the flame. We still smoking up in here. That's how we doing up in here, man. What we got working right now, about to pull these off. We got squash, shrimp, zucchini, red peppers, shrimp, zucchini. We got onions up in there. We got beef up in there. Look at it. This stuff about to come off right here. You know, Oh, I killed y'all with the Brussels sprouts. Y'all weren't even ready for that, you know. This where we at right now. So all y'all YouTubers, to all my new subscribers, you know, hope y'all enjoying y'all Monday, getting through the day, cooking out, enjoying it with family. You know, that's what we doing today, man. Got people sliding through, let y'all know what it is. All right. So it's only enough for the people that sliding through, but I appreciate all of y'all for watching. Come on through at JQUIL All, man. Come get you a leg there, bro. See what we doing. We got some stuff in the kitchen working out too, but that's what we gonna do today. So Goof Troop, man. Put that grill back on the table, man. Let you know what it is. I gotta teach you something, bro. All right, we out of here. One love. Shout out to all of y'all, man. Hope y'all enjoying y'all day. All the way from Louisiana, all the way to New York City, back to PA, Pittsburgh, VA, you know, LA. Wherever y'all, man, sitting up there enjoying y'all Monday, man. Salute, JQUIL All Talk Live. Be out of here, man. One love. Peace.